What's up nail art friends, it's Beck, and today I'm going to show you how to do this super easy, simple jelly glitter nail art gradient. Let's go! I'm starting off with a plain glitter base, and I'll add a liquid latex around the nail to protect the skin. I'm not going to list the glitter nail polish that I've used as it's not cruelty free, but any plain glitter base will do. You can apply the glitter with a makeup sponge for a more opaque base, or just with a few coats as I have here. For the colours, I'm using the Jelly Shots collection from Hit the Bottle, and the first colour I'm using is Screwdriver, which is this awesome orange shade. Side note, jelly polish means a sheer colour that can be seen through, just like jelly, so you can apply it over the top of glitters or nail art to create a layered effect. If you want more info on the differences of nail polish finishes, let me know in the comments. Because these are jelly polishes, you can apply them like regular polishes over the glitter and they'll blend into each other. There will be a line, but we'll cover it up. Paint it on nice and thick so you get that opacity of colours. Next I'm coming in with Bumble Bee, which is this yellow, and we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side of the nail. Try to blend it in a little, but don't spend too much time on it because we'll cover it up shortly. Time for stamping. The stamping plate I'm using is Retro Patterns 80s and 90s from Hit the Bottle, and we're going to be using this pattern here. It's a really cute abstract pattern that's going to cover the nail. I'm using a white stamping polish. Again, it's not cruelty free, so I'm not going to list it. I'm just trying to use what I have, but any white stamping polish will do. Stamp that onto the nail. Then I'm going to apply a water-based top coat from Clear Jelly Stamper. This will make sure that the stamping doesn't get smudged or smeared. And then I'm going to go over the top with Varnish Without a Trace top coat from Hit the Bottle. And here's the final look with the gradient. You don't need to have a full rainbow set of gradient colours to make a really cool gradient effect. You can just use a couple of colours like I've done here, or you can do the whole rainbow if you have it. For a full tutorial, check out my blog easynail.art, which has this and loads of other easy nail art tutorials. Also, I have a beginner nail art playlist, which you can see here. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.